Angharads Live, and in today's video we're going to the York Vegan Festival. Really can't wait, and we're here with our friends again too.
And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. We saw the world from the same perspective, though I was there to breathe again. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now.
We just got some food from Vegan Fried Chicken. I thought I'd try one of the chips first because they're paprika fries. Oh, they're really good. Oh wow, not too spicy either. They're really, really lovely.
In this right corner, there's some garlic mayo. There you go.
One of the bites, the garlic mayo. Wow, they are amazing. They are so good.
It really is. And the batter's lovely too.
The spicy jam burger.
It's bigger than my head.
It is.
This is good.
Oh, definitely the mouse enjoying it. The mouse enjoying that one.
But guess what?
Is it good?
It's absolutely incredible. It's so lovely and spicy too, but not too spicy for us. It's lovely.
A year ago this very day, I saw you from a mile away that night. A magic night. Without a word, with just a smile, the two of us were eye to eye that night. You and I try to walk between the raindrops, ride the waves of every storm. I thought our love was always worth fighting for.
It was so lovely that Tyne Chease could make it to the York Vegan Festival. It was so lovely to be able to chat to everyone as well.
Thinking, I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will.
Here's the Philly cheese from Chicky Monkey. Smells amazing, doesn't it?
It really does.
Oh, this is gonna be fun to try, isn't it? It just breaks them off.
Yeah, sounds like a good idea.
Let's look.
It looks really good.
It smells delicious.
Yep, your mouse enjoying that?
Let's enjoy.
So many incredible flavours, from the vegan meats to the cheese, the jalapenos. It's really, really lovely, and the bread too. It's nice and soft.
glad that you said hi, 'cause I was way too shy. What would have happened if you just said...
Narrow streets and dusty roads I've lingered on for far too many years. I've wandered down the city, taking pity on myself through my fears. All this place ever gave me was a boot upon my face when I was down. Give me back my liberty, I'll take my first step to where I'm bound. And like an arrow I will soar through the air. I'll take you with me from this place of despair. Take me out to roam the world again. Take me out to roam the world.
It was amazing to be able to get some pictures with Victoria.
But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people.
Oh my gosh, everything at the festival was absolutely incredible, wasn't it, Mum?
really was. It was brilliant.
It was. Oh, that vegan chicken.
That was so good.
It was. And all the other food that we tried too. Seeing Tyne Chease there as well was absolutely brilliant.
It's so good to be able to catch up with Victoria and meet her daughters as well.
It really was. And also seeing Happy Sprout as well.
Yeah, it was so lovely to see Happy Sprouts.
It really was. Ooh.
And Gemma from Dartmouth.
Yes. All the other food stalls were absolutely incredible too.
They really were. And to go with our friends as well made it even better.
It really did make it so much better and so much more special too.
It did.
It was also so lovely to see Tracy again too.
Oh, it was so lovely to be able to meet up with Tracy there.
It was. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps so much. Comments really do help a lot too, and we always love hearing from you. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing under the video or at the end of the video. It is free, and press notification bell so you're notified when we post new videos. This time in the comments, we'd love so much to know what vegan festivals you enjoy going to.
I think that's a great question.
Have you tried any of the products from the stalls we went to today?
It'd be really good to know.
It really would be. And we really hope to see you all here again very soon. Bye. Take care. And bye.